Dear chefs, students and the culinary professionals of South India Chefs Association, we are once again back with the ICC Culinary Challenge in association with World of Hospitality. It's a very interesting and exciting moment for all of us to come and participate in this culinary challenge, which was a big success last year. And we do have a lot of categories. We do have a 3-tier wedding cake, plated appetizer, artistic pastry showpiece, and we do have live vegetable carving. At the same time, we do have live cooking competition at the in this event, and we expect a lot of culinary professionals and students to come in a big numbers and participate and make this event a big success. At the same time, we want you to win medals. The leading chefs of South India will be judging this competition, and then we'll be witnessing. A lot of chefs will be there witnessing this event, and it will be a very good interaction with the senior chefs to all the junior culinary professionals and students. And we would like you all to invite to participate in big numbers and win medals for you all to be successful in your careers. Good luck and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.